bowling for the first time. Flipped away onside, and that's a biggie. Flies for 6. Well, after a few dot deliveries, he's released the pressure with this fine stroke through the onside.
He's just opened up the valve a little bit. Let the air out. He's picked that up nicely. Hasn't tried to force it. There was a man on the boundary, square on the leg side, but that's gone way over.
And for the first time, Farhat Amin just getting a little too straight. My goodness, that's a dazzling stroke once more over that long off region. Habibullah just following his partner, he's a cow, with this glorious stroke.
No, he would have deliberately tried to bowl it outside the off stump because that straight to delivery picked up for 6 easily. But this is an absolutely gorgeous stroke. You look back to that first ball of the over, Darren, when he's run down the wicket and he's tried to go up and over.
No ball. So it will not be a dismissal. The no ball call was made quite early. Created the false stroke, but just overstepping. Full toss. Wayward delivery and gets the treatment. Habibullah races to 20 and joins his partner. This is good going by the Raiders.
Now takes advantage of the free hit. He's looking for the slow ball Yorker. Ends up being a low full toss. Third 6 of the over. And the pressure is on.
Another no ball. That was in the slot. Just pull back. Oh, you can sense that Farhat Amin is just trying and wide outside the off. Punish for another 6. And overstepping now on a couple of occasions.
That one was just as big as the first one. You would expect after a no ball to try and pull yourself back with that front foot.
Slow delivery. Hammered down the ground. No stopping. Easy Cal. He is so good at this stage of the innings. 28 already from the over. This is a biggie.
Yeah, it's a slow ball. Length. Dispatched. 28 off the over. So far, the most expensive.
Still trying different things. Slower delivery. Wide half volley. Taking a beating. Farhat Amin. You won't want to remember this over. 32 runs coming from it. After 4, it's 55 without loss.
Now this time he's trying to go outside the off stump. A little bit of width. Man, a backward point was interested, but way over his head. Speeds off to the boundary.